Hello everyone. So today we are going to set up environment for React.js. Setting up environment for React.js is not very difficult. It's very easy. All you need to do is you need to install any code editor, any web development code editor, or any IDE, or Atom, or Sublime, or WebStorm, or whatever you like. But my recommendation is use Visual Studio Code because in our course we are going to use Visual Studio Code. So now we go to Visual Studio Code website. The amazing thing about the Visual Studio Code is it's free and we have different versions, different types of VS codes available. For Windows, we have different. For Ubuntu, we have different, and for Mac, we have different. So it's available for all the platforms, and it's very user-friendly and amazing tool. So just download, click on this and download the tool. After downloading the tool, all you need to do is install the tool and then you can see this UI on your page. These are my recent projects, so just ignore it. So all you need to do, you will see all this. So now what you will do, you can do some settings like you go on the file and go on the preferences, and here you can see the color themes. You can choose the color theme which you like. Like there are a lot of default color themes, but I like the most dark plus default dark. So this is my most favorite. So you can choose depending on your choice of colors. So here we go. And after that, I recommend few extensions from developer point of view, which are going to help you. And when you will work on the React.js, you just need to go on File, just go on View, Extensions, and here you can find the extension Prettier. This one. This extension is really helpful, and you can install this extension, and it is going to format your codes, and it is going to remove the unused codes and as well as format the codes. And whenever you click on Save button, Control C, it is S, it is by default going to save and also format the codes, and it is very user friendly. You just need to install it. I have already installed it, and just go in the File, Preferences, and Settings, and in the settings you can check on text editor and write in the search format. On the format you can see here there are a lot of code settings, so you just need to make sure that prettier code format is already selected. So once it's selected, whenever you work on any file, it is going to save and format your data automatically. There are some other lot of extensions like already discussed with you. I like this tool because it's very user friendly and it's very amazing to use. And there are a lot of extensions which help us in the development. These all extensions are not only for the React, but there are some other extensions which could help us in writing the code. So that's it. The basic environment for React.js set IDs here. Now we'll proceed to the next steps. Thank you.